Thank you guys for watching the other VHF video, wash machine video. So, a big shout out to WasherBoy11 now. He who commented on my 3 subscriber special video. Hope he likes this video. So let's start. We have the Bosch, which is Bosch integrated washing machine. EcoSilence Drive. I know that Wash King 2000 has not ever ordered this machine, but still, its model is XN90960 1400 RPM. Now to this weird machine. We have the Whirlpool 6 kg push wash push and dry washer dryer. Sorry, but still, model is WV0. WV0 4VTE6. I have the Bosch Max 7, which is not available in today's video. Actually, the Bosch Max 7. The Bosch Max 7. Kind of similar to Bosch Max 6 and even like 5 or 4, maybe. The EcoSilence Drive doesn't sound any better because the EcoSilence Drive made a big, huge loudness in voices. Now into tumble dryers, we have the Zanussi Jet System dryer. I don't know if it is Jet System. Right now we have the Zanussi Lindo 500 dryer. Jotmacha. And we have the Zanussi Lindo 600 dryer. Zanussi Lindo 600. And also we have the Candy Grando Plus. If you know, Candy Grando Plus dryer. Yep. Model is VO70 TA6. We have the Hoover Dynamic Next. I don't know if it is that way, but still. The Hoover Dynamic Next washing machine. Dynamic Next wash machine. 9 kg actually. Or not. 11 kg. Yep. And 1900 RPM. This is quite close to 2000 because some Hoovers don't spin that speed, but now we have the new Hisense dryer with the Hisense. The new Hisense dryer. Model is I67AC6BP. And now we have the Bosch Max 8. The Bosch Avante Bosch Magix 7. Bosch Magix 2. The Bosch Magix 2 is WAC 29937 GB-74. No, we have the also known Indesit Lavamat Tracer water balance technology and expulsion washer dryer. Model is IC06 is W7A. And now we have the most recommended one, Indesit dryer washing machine ever. You have the Indesit IWE 47P PB 47PB water balance technology. Now we're going to do white night. I don't know what that is, but still we're gonna record it. We have the Traga 1 kg. I don't know if it is 1 kg, but still. We have the White Knight Eco Slice washing machine, similar to Logix. We have the Logic. I don't know what that one is, but we have the Logic L16WMV56 Logic wash machine. I don't know if it is, but still. We have the old AEG. It's Super Sense wash machine. The old AEG Super Sense wash machine. Washer dryer. And model is W77W6PB. PB, I don't know if it is. And now we have the Beko. We have the Beko 5 kg wash machine. Unless there is no wash dryers, but still. But yeah, model is WMB06657A65B by B. Now we have the LG. I don't know whatever. We have the LG Direct Drive 6 kg. Direct Drive 6 kg. 4 kg, 3 kg that way. Integrated washing machine model is FN01V2 V41. Also got the LG Prime. The LG Prime Motion 1600. Model is F4V717TKB 100AV. And we also got the Beko HomeWiz washing machine, the Beko HomeWiz H4 TT26W. And then we have the Gorenia Sensocare W8864. As I say, we have the Zanussi. I don't know what that is, but still. We have the Hotpoint 6 kg integrated washing machine. Hotpoint. That's a Squirtle, but still model is S0WV for VW7AS. And we also got the hot point. The hot point TL52 dryer, TL52 dryer. And we also have the hot point TL52 washing machine. Yep. Well, is TL52. And the other is TL52C6 67A. Actually, now here's our last one here. We have the Curry's Essential. We have the Bosch Series 8, Series 9 dryer. This Bosch Series 9. The Bosch Series 9 dryer. And now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.